In today's video, I'll be testing out the new Deriv bot feature that has been put on Deriv. All right. If you have not noticed it, if you right now you go to Deriv Trader and you come to the side, all right, if you come to the side right of your screen, you will see right now we have two options. So we have manual trading and we have automated trading. All right. So they added this new option recently. So today I'll be testing it out basically to see if it can, if I can grow my account with it. All right. Yeah, as you know, we are all about testing and proving all these tools. All right. So first things first, I'll go select a market over under. I've already found a market here, so I found a market over 1. Okay, but I'm skeptical about trading it because even though there is strong, it is very far away from the green circle. Okay, the difference is getting narrow. It is a bit of a risk, but let us try and find a market, a good one that you will trade in this particular market. Okay. Remember what I told you guys, if you're trading over 1, anytime the green circle is too close to 2 or 3, you will notice that this percentage here will start losing power. That is exactly what is happening right now. So as you can see, my account is 6.74, sorry. And I'll be showing you why it is like that, all right? I'll show you why, okay? And how it arrived to that point, okay? Yeah, remember we last left that account at 23 because we were trying to grow it. So how has it come back to 6? We'll be discussing that. But right now, let us see if we can be able to make something out of this using this new Deriv bot feature, all right? Basically to test it out. So I'll be testing it out while explaining how it works. It's actually quite simple to use, but you'll be able to see that right now. So currently our percentage is 81.7. So we'll wait for this percentage to go to either 81.9 or 82.0, and then we start to trade, all right? Yeah, so as you're waiting, let me go back here. Where is it? Now, where was I? Sorry. So here, so currently we are in over under, as you can see. Okay, so first things first, for you to use the bot, you come and select that icon, okay, that bot icon. Once you select it, I want you to scroll slowly and come and set your initial stake. So you can set the ones that are here, the preset ones, or if you want to type your own, you come and click on the keyboard icon, you click on the stake. After you click on the stake, you come and type in whatever amount you want to use. So currently, if I want to use 0.35, I will put 0.35, okay? Once you put it, you just click on save. Once you click on save, scroll up on this side. Strategy, Martingale. The Allenbert will discuss it later. I'll be showing you that. Strategy, you want to use the Martingale. Stake multiplier. What Martingale do you want to use, or by what amount do you want your stake to be multiplied once you incur loss? For my instance, I will say 5. Because as you know, in over 1 and under 8, you need to multiply your stake by 5 to recover. Yeah, and max stake. Okay, this option, you can either leave it or you can turn it on like that and put the amount, or you can just leave it, okay? All right, so once you sit once everything is set, profit threshold, basically it is your take profit. Yeah, so if your take profit, let's say, is maybe 2, okay? You can come and put 2 there. And then if your stop loss is 2, it is there, all right? Yeah, so everything is there. So yeah, so you set everything like that. So basically, this bot is the same as the bot we had on the original platform. So if you know, guys, if you went to the platform and you went to the Deriv bot without even applying any bot, there was a bot that you found there. So I'll be showing you that. In fact, if I come here and I come and click on the Deriv bot, okay? If I come and click on the Deriv bot, assuming it is my first time on the Deriv, as you can see right now, I do not have any bot uploaded here. If I come to bot builder, you'll see. So this is the default bot, okay? So basically, this they've taken this bot and they've just added the Martingale, all right? So there's not much difference between this and what you are seeing right here, okay? Yeah, so there's not much difference. So I've set everything. Let me go back and see my percentage. Okay, I can see it has gained some power. Actually, a lot of power, so we'll be trading. Okay, I'm waiting for it to increase because we left it at 81.8, all right? So far, it has really moved up really well. So let us, okay, yeah, I think we can trade at this point because we left it at a really low point. So what I'll do, I just come here, all right? I'll come to my automated, so it is volatility 50. So I come here, remember to set your volatility. Always confirm your volatility. 50, after I set my volatility, I just come here and ensure everything is okay. My duration is 1 tick always, remember that. Yeah, because you might confuse that. So let me see, okay? Yeah, so this is our trade. Our bot has already started running. So far, we have lost the first trade. We have lost the second trade. Okay, now it cannot even recover. All right, so now I shall start. So this is what I wanted to speak about, okay? This bot, all right, I've been testing it out for a while. I'm not just making this video out of the blue. Yeah, I know most of you were requesting me to make a video about it. Can you please make a video about the new Deriv bot tool and so on? So this is my honest review, and I repeat and say this is based on my own opinion. Now, I've been testing out this bot. Let me come and show you here, okay? Let me come and show you my open positions, because I usually use this account mainly for practicing purposes. All right, so if I come to closed, let me show you. Now this is today. Yeah, we have lost 2 trades. Okay, that is okay. All right, so let me go back here. Let me go back. Okay, it was over 1. Okay, I wanted to confirm if I traded the correct, because most times you can confuse over 1 with under 8. Okay, you have traded it correctly. So if I come here, today you have lost 2. So yes, I've been testing it since, let me scroll down slowly. Let me scroll down slowly. Let me scroll down slowly so you can see. Yeah, you can see all these trades have this bot icon. This bot icon is the same as the one that is here, okay? As you can see, they're the same. So I've been testing it out for a while. Okay. Yeah, there it is. So as you can see, there it is. Okay, I want to look at the point where I started testing it out. Okay, at this point, all right? Was it this point? Yes, it was. So as you can see here, I started, the first time I tried it, it was okay. All right, as you can see, it was losing, it is recovering. Okay, losing, it is recovering. All right, the recovery was actually really good, and I was impressed at this point. Yeah, so it was good. And then all of a sudden, now the bot started becoming, losses started coming, losses. So one thing I usually like about this account is usually use it because I usually take the position of a small trader who is trying these things out, okay? Yeah, so if you have a small account, it can be quite risky. So as you can see, I decided now to increase my stake, and yeah, the losses continue. It is actually now, the losses are now coming consistently, double losses, okay? Yeah, they're now coming as double, all right? And this pattern was repeating itself multiple times, okay? All right, so as much as this tool is good, and I applaud Deriv for adding this tool, it's actually a very nice tool because now it has made trading easy, especially if you're practicing strategies and so on. But when it comes to trading, is there any need of continuing to use the other bots that you have? Yes, because the other bots, especially like the candle mine, the dollar printers, and the rest, they are modified bots, okay? They are bots that have added features that basically make the bot more accurate and more efficient, okay? Yeah, that is how you can see, even though this bot is good, it is still suffering losses and struggling to recover them, okay? Yeah, as you can see, since I started testing this tool out, I've lost 20.16 USD. I've lost all this money simply by testing out this tool. I've been doing proper analysis, doing proper timing. I'm not just clicking and clicking, no. I was doing everything correctly. Yeah, but yeah, you can see it, okay? So you have been trading for so long, especially with the candle mine, and you can see with the candle mine, the bot, it is rare for the bot to undergo 2 losses, and if it undergoes it, it usually recovers, okay? That bot is very efficient, and you have used it multiple times, and the rest, all right? They are good, but this one, it is a good tool, it's a good default tool, but if you want to trade, I can advise you to get the others, okay? Yeah, they will be better, but if you, let's say you don't have anything to get the bots, or basically you don't have access, you can use this one, but at least ensure you get the others, all right? Those are the unmodified bots that will make your trades a lot much more better. And again, please remember, do not use any third-party website, okay? Do not use any third-party website. Get your bots that will put in your phone, in your files, in your flash drive, bots that will be yours not only now, but 10 years from now, without anyone deducting your profits. Let the bots that you trade with be yours, okay? Don't keep on logging to someone's website every day to try and trade just because you want to use the free tools that are there. Avoid that. Again, if you're told, I don't know, you can go to this website, to this Discord, and get all these bots for free and so on, please avoid free bots, okay? As I told you, when I started trading, I was using a lot of free bots, and they made me lose money a lot, okay? It's not a must for you to hear me, but just put it into mind, okay? Yeah, so please ensure you get good bots. I've always said that I always give good bots to everyone. So far, I've given bots to a lot of my subscribers. I think more than 30 to 40%, which I'm really glad, because now, once you get bots, you forget about bots. Now your work will be learning new strategies and practicing them, okay? So yes, this tool is a very good step towards trading, and I know Deriv will keep on making improvements to it and so on. But yeah, since I've tested it, I can give it a score of around, around, let me say 60, okay? Yeah, because, okay, the recovery is not good. I don't know if the timing, but it is suffering some losses here and there, which is not optimal, okay? Yeah, and always remember to use proper risk management. Always use, okay, whatever I'm showing you on the screen right now is for learning purposes, okay? Don't go and start doing whatever I'm doing, especially when it comes to stake and take profit. Ensure you do proper calculation and ensure you do proper risk management, all right? We have already made a video about that. I'll put the link in the description. Please ensure you watch that video about how to manage risk, the stake that you should set, the stop loss, the take profit, and so on, okay? But I hope you learned from this. Please go and test it out in your demos and see how it works, see if it works well for you, see how it is, and so on, okay? But yeah, so please ensure you get bots. What I do for those who come to me, I usually give you everything, all right? I'll not just give you one bot and then tomorrow you come for another one, I'll give you everything, okay? I give all the 100 bots, all the 100 documents. You get mentorship and guidance for life, no limitation, for as long as you need it, all right? Yeah, plus membership to our groups, and all this for only WhatsApp me, okay? Yeah, but yeah, you know, most people usually say here, oh, the bots are 100, they are 200. I don't know. You don't, but then even for those who are using the bots on the third-party websites, you're actually paying for them indirectly, okay? You'll be paying for them for as long as you're trading, because every time you're trading there's a commission. And again, I'm not against those people who are creating those sites, all right? I know there are traders who are trying to offer trading services, but I usually prefer, and I advise people to prefer trading on the official platform, okay? But as for the bots, there are 100 bots, there are 100 documents, and so these bots not only come just as bots, you also get mentorship and guidance, which I've said I'll be offering personally, all right, for as long as you need, all right? So plus mentorship and guidance, and imagine you get all this, and I repeat, all this at 10 USD, 10, all right? Which is a one-time thing and you forget. And I'm not forcing. If you don't want to get it, in fact, don't, okay? Yeah, if you don't want, don't. We have so many videos on our channel that you can learn from. They're very educative. But in case you feel like you need materials and mentorship and guidance and so on, you can WhatsApp me, okay? I'm not forcing anyone. It's up to you. I told you guys, you as traders, you're the CEOs of your account. If you feel like you're not sure, you're not ready, take your time. There is no rush, okay? And again, when it comes to learning, also take your time. Take your time to learn, take your time to understand, ask questions so you feel you don't understand. And yeah, grow yourself, okay? Yeah, if that is okay, guys, in case you have any question about this, please ensure you make you put down a comment in the comment section. We'll be able to answer you. You can also WhatsApp us. Our number is in the description, especially if you're interested with the bots. And again, online classes have already started. Please ensure you WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in the description. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Yeah, I hope you have learned something. I hope you have seen it. Please go test it out. And yeah, we'll be making a lot of videos on this, basically testing it out with various things. I'll be explaining more on it. Yeah, basically to give you a very good understanding of how it operates and so on, okay? Remember, if you're interested with the bots and documents, as I've said, 10. For classes, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. And as I've said, it is optional, all right? It is not mandatory. It is optional, okay? Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.